We're here doing a project to implement what we're calling robot teachers, which are basically just video conferencing workstations on a mobile cart for one of our clients. And we wanted to show you what we were doing with them, how we were implementing them, and how it's a pretty solid offering for a bunch of schools transitioning to a virtual environment. So basically, at its core, what it is a pretty high-end Logitech video conferencing camera at the top, and then a 32-inch 1440p ViewSonic monitor. Under the monitor, we've Velcroed the remote for the Logitech camera. Then we have a pretty affordable all-in-one keyboard trackpad solution. Mounted behind the monitor is an HP mini PC, which is perfectly powerful for any sort of video conferencing software. And then we have all of the cable management really neatly done, going down through the cart all the way to the bottom. It's got this nice little keyboard tray. Then we have a power strip and a nice long cable so that you can put it in the classroom wherever you want. So the general idea is you could have the teacher up on display and they could be virtually teaching a classroom of students, or vice versa. You could have one of these monitor setups for each one of the virtual students in the classroom. So if you were to do a half and half classroom split where some of the students were there in person but some weren't, this would work for representing each one of the students that's there virtually. So for this client, we're assembling 18 of these robot teachers, so to speak. So obviously there's a decent amount of stuff to do for each one, so we've been trying to make it as efficient as possible. Also, this client that we're working for would prefer us not go into the site, so we're pre-building them all at our office and color coding each cable and port on each device, which includes the mini PC, so that if anything were to get unplugged either on the way or just when it's at the client site, they could really easily put it back together and get it working. So we have Jose over here currently working on putting one of the setups together. Jose, say hi. So we've discovered that since we're building so many of them in a row, it just makes sense from an efficiency standpoint to do it as kind of an assembly line process. So currently Jose is working on final assembly, mounting the monitor, getting it all put together, and then once we have a bunch assembled, we'll do all the cable management. So anyways, we just wanted to show you a little bit of the project that we're doing here. It's a really cool project. We think it will work really well for a bunch of our clients, and we were able to finish it pretty efficiently. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Catch you next time.